So now we're going to create a program practicing different data types and typecasting between data types. So I'm going to put my standard header information with a name and a description of what we're doing. And inside of here, we're going to find out that variables have data types. So I'm going to put a comment on this. I'm going to create a variable called age, and I'm going to print age just to see what we get. And I can see down in my shell that we are indeed getting age. And next thing I'm going to do is to see what data type this is. So I'm going to print, and inside of this print statement, I want to see the data type. So I'm going to use type with the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to put the value or the variable that I want to know the type of, specifically the data type. So if I run this, it's going to tell me that 30 is an int, int. That means that it is an integer. I'm going to put a comment on the end of this that says that we can use type with the parentheses to find the data type of a value. So let's try it again with another one. I'm going to create a variable called wage. I'm going to set it to 35.25, and then I'm going to print, and inside the print parentheses, I'm going to use that type again, and we're going to see the data type of wage. If I run the program, now it tells me that wage is a float. Well, that certainly makes sense because it is a floating point number. How about if I try it one more time, and this time I'm going to type in name equals, and then in double quotes I'm going to put Sammy, and we're going to print the type of name. What data type is name? So if I run it, it's going to be a string or an str. So I am going to force a new line just using a print statement. We'll force a new line so that we can separate these out, and we're going to see that we can change the data type of a value just by typecasting. So the way that we do that is we're going to create a number as create a variable called number. We're going to create it as an integer. So we're going to declare a variable called number, set it to 10. We know already from line 6 that this is going to be an integer. If I wanted to double check, I can print the type. Now, if you'll notice, I don't have any spaces between the outer parentheses like I did on line 8 and line 11 and line 14. Those spaces between the outer parentheses are not necessary. I just put them there to make it clear that we were putting this type function inside of the print parentheses. Now, let's see if we can change this integer, which is a known integer, to a floating point. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to say number equals, and then I am going to use the data type that I'm trying to turn it into, float in the parentheses. Whatever I put inside of these parentheses, it's going to attempt to typecast to a floating point. And so I'm going to put number inside of there. And I'm going to see if it will indeed change the type of number from an int, which we saw it was on line 19, to a floating point. So I am going to steal what is on line 20, if you don't mind, and then I'm going to paste it here again. And now the expectation is that number has now become a float. So if I run it, I can see that number to begin with was an integer, but because I typecasted on line 25, it is now a float. Is it possible that I could change it to another data type? What about string? Is it possible that I could change number to a string? So I'm going to do str, and then inside of the parentheses, I'm going to put the value or the variable that I want to try to cast to a string, and then I probably have that still on my clipboard, and there it is. Now let's see if we have changed or cast number to a string. I'll run it one more time, and there we go. We can see that it's a string. So I'm going to come back on here, and I'm going to add a couple more comments on here. So we'll say that we are changing this to a float using float parentheses. And then I'm going to say that I am changing the next one to a string. Let me put a comment on that, saying that we're changing number to a string using string parentheses. That would beg the question, how do you think that I might typecast something to an int? What do you think? All right, so I'm going to run it again just to make sure I haven't messed anything else up. I'm going to try to print, and I'm actually going to, this will print one single new line. So inside of the double quotes, I'm going to force a escape sequence \n to create a second new line. And then let's see if things can go wrong when we are typecasting. So we want to be careful when you're typecasting. I'm going to add a comment on here. And so let's see if we can create a variable called, we'll just call it num1. And so num1 is, line 34 is going to be a floating point. Line 35, I'm going to try to cast num1 to an int by putting the int parentheses with num1 inside of it. And then I'm going to print it and see what happens. So the comment says that changing a float to an int actually truncates the decimal point. So it went from 10.25, and I can see in the print statement down here that is now just a 10. So casting from a float to an int truncates the floating point value. What about trying to cast from a string to an int? So let's try this with a initialization value that might be able to cast to an int. So on line 44, I'm going to set num3 equal to a string 10. I know it's a string because I have it surrounded by quotes. And then I'm going to try to cast it to an int. Let's see if this works. So let's run it, and it actually did it. And the reason why it's able to do that is because the string value actually can be cast to an int, can be changed to a number. So I am going to force a couple of new lines with a print statement. Inside of the quotes, I am going to put the /n to force a couple of new lines between the prior run. And then if you remember from the prior video, we were getting an error message when I tried to use a plus sign between two different data types. So if I was trying to print num3 or name plus num3, these are two variables that exist in my program. I'm going to run it, and it's going to tell me that there is an error message on line 51 because we can only concatenate a string to a string. It's telling me on line 51, I cannot concatenate that plus sign, a string to an int. So is it possible for us to be able to change the value of num3 so that I could concatenate the two of them together? What if I tried to print? I know how to change data types. So now when we print name plus num3, we'll use num3 again. I'm going to see if I can cast num3 to a string. Do you remember how to do that? I put inside of the string parentheses anything that I would like to try to cast to an int, and I'm going to run it again to see if now it will allow me to do a plus sign between these two values. And it's still hanging up on line 51 of the code, which means that I'm going to have to comment out line 51 so that we can get to line 53. There you go. So it did indeed concatenate name, which is Sammy, with num3, which I cast to a string, and I use the concatenation operator. So now we are getting no error because we were able to cast it to a string, typecast it to a string. I'll put a comment on that. Typecast it to a string, and then it worked.